What's up? I'm about to go to FDR. Not FDR. I go to so many schools, I be forgetting. I'm about to go to Harvey Rice. I'm teaching about 24th grade boys how to design and be designers and crush their life. Ain't that something? I may try to even put this in my story. They so buck wild. I done forgot my camera. I done forgot everything. They kind of on the wild side, so you know. Hopefully, I don't have to put nobody in the headlock. I called myself coming in early so I could get in my class, and I couldn't get in there, so I could prep. So now I'm surrounded in dudes. What's up? What's up? What's up? We gonna do some work today or what? We gonna work today?
We gotta look at that stuff first. Yeah.
Alright, hopefully. You gonna get some work in?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna get some work in. 15 pages of work.
Yeah.
My man right here came in and did some work. Who else did work? Me. Let me get you on tape. Oh no, is we on Instagram? This is my 4th grade team right here. We all designers, we all doing some work. We all came in and did some work. They wasn't gaming, they wasn't playing, none of that. You know what I'm saying?
Let me get in there.
Where we at? Let me get in there. Where we at? Harvey Rice. Yeah, this is my team right here.
We 4th graders. We get lit.
4th graders. Who the kings in here?
Me.
Who the kings?
Everybody.
Me.
We get lit.